Yo, what's going on, guys? It's everything Zach back again with another YouTube video. Today, we are doing a quick one. If you guys haven't already seen by the title and the thumbnail, we are showing you guys how to upload videos to the new Snapchat Spotlight feature, which is completely new and it just came out, so I thought this would be a great video. But without further ado, let's just hop right in. It's very similar to TikTok, just so you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Let's hop right in the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Smash a like if this helped you. Leave a sub if you guys enjoy the content, and then also leave a comment down below on your thoughts on the video or any questions that I would love to help you with. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and let's go. Okay, guys, so I am now going to be showing you guys my phone screen. It's super simple. From here on out, you're going to go in Snapchat. After this, you are going to go into your part where you can see this, and you can just see your story. Okay, so basically how you're gonna do this is you're going to just hold a video, whatever you want to record, whatever you want to record, whether it's a TikTok or whatever. You can put music on it as well, just like you normally would with a Snap. Now, this is where it's unique, guys, and again, it's simple, but it's still different. So what we do here, you hit send to, and you don't do anything here, but what you'll do is at the very top you see Spotlight. So you're going to click Spotlights at the very top, and then here you can add topics, which are basically hashtags, but in Snapchat. TikTok has hashtags, this has topics. Basically, you'll just add a ton of topics of what you want to do, and then it'll just go public for anyone that wants to see. The way you see these is go over here, and here you go. You can just scroll, tap, whatever you want to do. And basically, that is going to allow you to look at other people's, and that is how they can find yours. So it's a really cool way, and it is kind of similar to TikTok in a few ways. I think it's really cool that Snapchat is doing this. And again, I thought that I would just, show you guys a little video of how to upload, because I know a lot of people might not know. If that does not appear for you, now make sure that your Snapchat is updated, because that might be a common problem people have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, smash a like, leave a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help you, and also hit that subscribe button if I helped you out. Thank you.